What's the meaning of Anthony Blunt? Anthony Blunt. Anthony Blunt. Anthony Blunt. Anthony Blunt. Anthony Blunt.
Anthony Blunt was a British art historian and Soviet spy. He served as the director of the Courtauld Institute of Art and was a member of the Cambridge Five spy ring. Blunt was exposed as a spy in 1964, but was granted immunity from prosecution in exchange for cooperating with MI5. He continued to work at the Courtauld Institute until his retirement in 1974, and was publicly revealed as a spy in 1979. The scandal tarnished his reputation and career, and sparked controversy and debate about the nature of espionage and loyalty.